All right, just got in the Vertex Basecamp backpack, and this thing is pretty sweet. I'm setting this up as kind of a bug out bag here. So on the front side, you have a quick rip, and I have a SIG P365 in a Velcro holster they have. Then on the top, they have this quick open tab here. And from here, you can see I have my AR9 set up in here that takes Glock mags, a spare Glock mag that I can use in the Tactigami mag holder. And then also on the bottom, I set up a suppressor that I can quickly attach onto my gun in the Tactigami mag pouch as well. Then to secure it, I use this simple little Velcro strap they have here to keep it in place. If you're looking for a tactical backpack setup, definitely check out the Basecamp from Vertex.